Hi, welcome to Perkins Motors. We're showcasing our 2022 Jeep Wrangler. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. Today we want to do just a quick series of how-to videos. You know how to fill up your washer fluid, check your oil, and check some of the other vital fluids of your vehicle. Hey, welcome back to Perkins. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. We want to continue our video segment of how-to videos. Today we want to go ahead and talk about our little friend, the battery here. So Shawn, what are we looking for here? Today, when you're checking your normal fluids, you just want to kind of tug on the batteries and cables, make sure that they're secure. Any kind of looseness under could cause a little bit of interruption in service from the battery, could cause low voltage, cause lights to come on, stuff to start freaking out. So let's go ahead and just give them a quick tug here. One of the other things I also want to mention is sometimes batteries do leak under stress. Sometimes of the heat, sometimes of the cold, sometimes just because of age. But if you see a little bit of a fuzzy buildup by some of the cable ends here, you want to go ahead and bring in the service and let us look at it. Every time you come in for maintenance at Perkins, we go ahead and we check your battery. Just give it a quick test, just make sure it's good to go. If there's something a little questionable or the state of the health is about 50% or less, we're going to offer a battery replacement. So we do test the battery on every inspection that we do, just to give you a little bit of peace of mind. It's one of the perks of doing business here at Perkins. My name is Shawn Miller and I'll be here to greet you.